Good morning to you guys, and today I'm gonna show you very cool game, very easy to do. Let me expand it. And here we have the face of Mr. Bean. Let's play it. And here we have all kind of manipulators. Like sliders, I can slide and change something. So for example, I need to change his color. Just do like this. Then I need to whirl. Whirl, I can go left and I can go right. So let's do it like this. Like this. Then I need to mosaic. Then I need to do fisheye. Maybe more mosaic. Maybe pixelate. Brightness, nighttime. And you can play with it as much as you want, and that's a thing I'm gonna explain it how to do. Very easy. So let's go. So first of all, we have all kind of commands. It's just one character, Mr. Bean, one character. And to make an effect, we need to create a variable. So first of all, we go to variables out here, and we do make a variable. We name it. So we name it, let me make it bigger. We have a ghost variable, but it's different from those variables out here. It has to be slider. So we do right click, and here is slider. So we choose slider and we have a slider. So also we can change ghost variable range. We go to change slider range and we can make it like from minus if we need opposite. And you see it's gonna go to 0. We can go left, we can go right. We have a ghost, you see out here, ghost variable. So this variable will be responsible for effect. When game starts, my variable, ghost variable, will be 0. Then I go to forever and I find set color effect. I put it inside, and here I change it for ghost effect. I can put here the number, but I'm not gonna put here the number because I wanna control it with a slider. So here I need to put my variable, and my variable will be reflected right out here. So I go to variables and I find my ghost variable and I put it here. So now set ghost effect is controlled by this variable, which is reflected as a slider out here. Let's test it. And you see, make the ghost, make it like a ghost. Okay, what else can I do? I can do like rotation. So let's do it. When green flag clicked, let's create a variable. Let's name it rotate or direction. We have direction. Slider. Let's go to motion, let pull out, point in direction, control, forever, put it inside, point in direction, and direction I'm gonna control by my variables that I just created. You see, I can rotate it. So the range here, I should make different one. I go to a change slider range and I make it from 360 to 360. Okay, let's test it. You see, I can spin it any direction. You can assign your variable to anything. You just create variable and put it somewhere and you control it. Let me expand it. So direction is like this, color is like this, brightness is like this, whirl is like this, mosaic is like this. You see, I can play with it as much as I want. Everything is controllable through variables and through those sliders.